Lamb shanks. Ingredients: 4 small lamb shanks, 1 rosemary, 5 thyme, 6 tablespoons olive oil, salt, freshly ground peppers, 4 garlic cloves, 2 strips organic orange peel, 2 strips organic lemon peel, 2 stalks celery, 80 grams pitted black olives, in oil, 400 grams crushed tomatoes, canned, 100 milliliters dry white wine, 150 milliliters of lamb stock. For the carrots: 400 grams carrots, 2 tablespoons butter, salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. For the cabbage: 400 grams savoy cabbage, 2 tablespoons butter, salt, white peppers, 1 pinch freshly ground nutmeg. For the mashed potatoes: 800 grams starchy potatoes, 150 milliliters hot milk, 2 tablespoons butter, salt, 1 pinch ground nutmeg. Sliced scallions, for garnish. Directions: for the lamb, rinse lamb shanks and pat dry. Gently rinse herbs, shake dry, pluck leaves and chop finely. Mix herbs with 4 tablespoons olive oil, season with salt and pepper and rub over lamb shanks. Refrigerate lamb shanks for about 2 hours to marinate. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius, approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel garlic cloves and chop finely. Brush an oven-proof baking dish with remaining olive oil. Place lamb shanks with marinade, garlic, orange zest and lemon zest in prepared baking dish. Roast lamb shanks for about 1 hour, basting repeatedly with the pan drippings. Rinse celery and cut into thin slices. Drain olives, mix with celery and tomatoes and add to baking dish with lamb shanks. Pour white wine and broth over lamb shanks and roast for about 1 more hour, basting repeatedly with the pan juices. For the mashed potatoes, rinse potatoes and steam for about 30 minutes until done. For the carrots, rinse and peel carrots and cut lengthwise into quarters. Cook carrots in a little salted water. Cook until soft, about 15 minutes, and drain. Rinse cabbage and cut into fine strips. Blanch cabbage in a little salted water for about 8 minutes. Drain cabbage, rinse with cold water and drain well. Peel potatoes and press through a potato ricer into a pot while still hot. Add milk and butter to potatoes and stir with a wooden spoon until smooth. Season potatoes with salt and nutmeg. Stir butter and lemon juice into carrots and season with salt. Sauté cabbage in butter and season with salt, white pepper and nutmeg. Arrange lamb shanks and sauce on plates with the carrots, the cabbage and the mashed potatoes and garnish with scallion to serve.